In this video, I'll show you how to create group products in WooCommerce in just a few simple steps. Group products are an excellent way to showcase similar or frequently purchased products together on one single page. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. Okay, so below the video, I'll leave a link to this particular article if you prefer it in a written format instead. But essentially, we're going to create a group products similar to this one, and I'll walk you through how you can do that step by step. So some of the drawbacks with using WooCommerce group products is it doesn't allow you to add variable products. So you can add variable products, but the customer won't be able to choose the selection from the group products. Also as well, you can't offer discounts unless you're using a third-party plugin like our WooSuite dynamic pricing and discount plugin. But I'll show you how you can get around all these and much more. Okay, so before we start, I just want to point out that we'll be creating a group product similar to this one. So this particular product page here is created with our WooSuite product bundle plugin. So with this plugin, customers are able to choose a variation as well right from the product page, and you can also offer discounts as well. So we'll try recreate this page using WooCommerce group products. Okay, so we'll head over to our dashboard and then we'll navigate to products. I'm going to go on all products just so we see exactly what's going on. Okay, so when creating our group products, first you want to create the single products as well. So when I say single products, I mean, for example, this particular product page that we're on, this Mother's Day bundle, we can refer to this as a group product page. Okay, and then we'll have the individual products that we want to include on that product page. Okay, so first step is to just go ahead and create the number of products that you'll be grouping together. So for example, if you've got 5 products, then go ahead and create the 5 products. And then finally, we'll create our group products. Okay, so since I've already got a few products already created here, I'm just going to go ahead and create our group product. So to do that, we'll just click add new. Okay, and then we can name this group product. I'm just going to, usually you'd give it something more meaningful, but just to make life easier for myself, a future reference, I'm just going to name this one group products. Okay, so I'm just naming mine group products, and then you'll add in the product description. So it's just like any other products. You'll add in your description, the category, the tag, the featured image as well. And also you can add a short description. But the main difference is, so we're going to change it here where it says simple to group products. Okay, and then we're going to go ahead and add our link products here where it says group products. So for example, we can choose, I'm going to choose this product here, and that's fine. So that's about it. So we'll just add some dummy text here, and then we'll just add an image, a product image. Okay, and then you just choose your category, product tags, and so on. So I'm just going to hit publish, and then we can have a look. Okay, so this is our group products, and as I mentioned, some of the limitation with using group products is, for example, this particular product here is a variable product. So in this case, the customer actually needs to choose the variation. So for them to do that, they'll have to click on this option here, and it will take them to this particular product page. Okay, so we open it in a new tab. Then on this page, they're able to go ahead and select the variation. If you was wondering how I created this volume-based discount option here, I've created another video which I'll link below. So if you want to create something similar on your site, you can do so. So this is an excellent way to increase your average order value, and stores that we typically work with adding these type of volume-based discounting usually increase sales up to 30%. Okay, so again, I'll leave the link in the description below. If you're interested in adding a similar functionality to your site, you can do so. Okay, so back to our group products. So from here, customers can quickly choose the quantity. Again, if you add a variable product to a group product, the customer will have to go to that particular product page to choose a selection. So it kind of breaks the flow. Okay, so we'll just add this to cart, and then we can view cart. And then when we view cart, it will add the individual products as a single line item. Okay, so that's displaying fine, and that's how you'd basically create a group product. So you can add as many products to this product group as you like, and you can create as many group products as you like as well. As I alluded to in the intro, if you want to take the functionality of a group product a step further, you can go ahead and download the WooSuite product bundle plugin. Okay, so with this plugin, you can create advanced features such as adding a frequently asked question option here, similar to what you would see on Amazon. You can create a product bundle with variable options, which we've already seen. So here we can actually choose the variation of the individual product. So it's a much more smoother user experience than the customer having to click over to the product, choose their selection. It's kind of pointless in that regard. So I personally recommend using our WooSuite product bundle plugin. You can also add quantity break / volume based discount. So again, I've shown you this earlier. So with this option, you can create multiple pricing tiers to encourage customers to purchase more than one. Okay, so this is a very powerful but underutilized techniques, and some of the highest performing stores that we work with, they use this type of discounting. Okay, you can also add upsells as well, and so much more. So again, I'll leave the link in the description below. So just head over to woosuite.com and go ahead and download the WooSuite product bundle plugin. I'll leave it in the description below. And that's how you create a WooCommerce grouped product in just a few simple steps. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. If you've got any questions, leave it in the comment box below. Or if you've got a product related question, reach out to support and we'll get back to you as soon as possible.